Panicked.
That gas is building up on the inside. Take a peek on the inside really fast, Laura. What does it look like in there? Can you explain?
Whoa, it's bubbling.
It's bubbling. It's starting to fizz.
Ooh, it's fizzing up.
You think it's ready?
I hope it's ready.
Oh, we're going to give it just a few more minutes. Allow that to do that. I'm going to wet my hand just a little bit here. When I wet my hand, basically what that's going to allow me to do is if there's fire that comes out of the back, the water will absorb the heat and I won't get burnt. Now for you, did you wear your fireproof suit today?
I don't think this witch's hat is fireproof.
You don't think so? Okay.
I'll stand back.
What we're going to do is we're going to try this. Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Are you sure?
I think so.
Okay, let's see here. Okay, we blew up the whole thing. Pretty cool. Now, you see, kids, why you should not do that at home, okay? Now, you okay over there? Yes. Okay, let's move on. Live television, right? What I have over here, do you need a few minutes to recover there? Okay, let's move on. When you let the gas build up too much, that's what happens. Okay, now, what I have over here, I'm going to grab this really fast. Everybody else okay, by the way? Okay, good. I have a big green tub here, and this tub, are you okay?
I'm good.
Okay. This tub